Hey friends, if you wish to fix install error 0x800f0988 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, first of all, you need to run a certain DISM scan to clean up the Windows SXS folder. The command is DISM space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / start component cleanup. Copy it, or you can search for it and use it, or simply type it and type command prompt and click on run as administrator. Paste the command here and hit enter. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Now leave all the part above here and click on clear up system files and then click on OK. And under the scanning section you'll find something called as Windows Update Cleanup, and I'll tell you what Windows Update Cleanup means. It means that it will be clearing the software distribution and the cat root 2 folders. So once it clears this, we can proceed to the next step, and there is no next step, so the last solution we have is to reset Windows altogether. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, click on remove everything, and then click on cloud download, and this will reset your system to default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.